Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today we're going to be taking a look at the photo editing app Canva. Now this app has many different things that you can do, and I could make several videos or one extremely long video going into everything. Today we are just going to start off with the basics. As you can see here, there are many options of different things you can do. You can do a Instagram post, you can do a phone wallpaper logo. Today though, we are just going to start with the basics and do a photo collage. So we'll click on that at the top, and then it brings you to this screen where you have many different templates of different things that you can do, different collage layouts. We're going to go and just do a pretty easy one like this, a 3 optioned one. So once you have your collage up, you can tap on the photo that you're ready to insert with one of your own pictures. I already have some pictures selected here because I couldn't decide if I wanted to do one about animals or different pictures from trips I've taken. We're going to go with pictures from various trips that I've taken over the years. You will tap on your photo, then it will switch it with that one, and you can adjust it. You can kind of put it wherever you want. I'm going to try and get it back to the aligned spot that it was. Keep it there, and then you tap on the next one that you were ready to replace. Same thing. We'll go with this picture now, right here. Then again, it will put it in, and then one more time, hit replace, and we'll go with this one here. Once you have your pictures, you can add effects to the picture if you would like, different like frames. None of the frames really work a whole lot with the picture that I have laid out right now. You can add like a phone border to it, colored frames, different designs. I'm not going to add one right now because, again, like I said, it doesn't quite work with the picture that I have. You can also add filters, which, you won't mess up your photo. Different ones like this. We'll go ahead and I guess we'll have the afterglow one on there. You can adjust the intensity of it. Then you can do the same thing with these other pictures as well. Maybe mute the color a little bit. But again, we'll just go with, why don't we go with solar this time for this one. Again, you can adjust the intensity. And then probably won't mess with that one a whole lot because it won't really affect the picture too much. Then you can crop the pictures, you can flip them, you can animate them. That way that by the time you're done editing this, it is exactly the way that you want it to look. I'm going to go ahead and keep mine just like this. Once you have your collage set to your liking, you can hit the share option at the top. And then it gives you tons and tons of ways that you can share this, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Google, Microsoft. It goes on and on and on and on. I am just going to hit the download option here. Then, don't need any of that. It's downloading. Then once it's downloaded, it says that it is saved automatically to your camera roll. And then you can go share that wherever you'd like. Once you've completed your design, you can go back to the home screen and start on another one. Again, there are a lot of different options, logos, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, so many different things that you can do with this app. So that is a quick look at Canva. This app is great if you like customizing photos or creating collages. So many different ways that you can create your photos exactly to your liking. Do you use Canva, or what is your favorite photo creation editing app that you use? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.